Sholat heals, Sujud calms, healing embrace, lights peace. Sujud soothes, Dhikr embraces, Sholat eases, spirit returns. Sacred dusk, robe noise, hungry spotlight, ego rots. Faith healing, Sujud empty, long caption I can't ignore. Who bows over image, the audience, silent stage. Dopamine grades, cortisol rises. Limbic chaos, spirit dims. Validation is a narcotic, image crafting is a mask. Sholat is surgery, screen kibla. Notification, Fitrah speaks sincerity, ego broadcast. Sujud to sujud, put that pause in your life. Shape it as you wish, without sin taking form. I long for sujud, sujud to sujud. Screen goes dark, who are you? When you're not praised, press your forehead down. Silent, without content, listen to your breath. Amputate your ego, amputate your ego. Anchor your shala. In your life, shape it as you wish, without sin taking form. I long for sujud, sujud to sujud. I'm forever in sujud until the masin takes form. The sujud, the sujud. Inshallah, God false validation. Return to source, don't sell your modern absurdity. Fear signal, loses God. Slow, cold, heart shakes, has the time not yet come for the hearts of the believers to submit in remembrance of Allah? From Surah Hadid, verse 16. Not noise, heart's fullness. Land in the sujud, pure validation. Conjure manist. Activate shot. Dissolve ego. Return to presence. A curtain. Suggestion. Integration. Action. I become